Hey everyone, welcome back to Windowz Tech. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix scaling issues on Windows 10, where text and apps might appear blurry or too small. Let's dive in. Scaling issues on Windows 10 typically occur when the display settings do not correctly adjust for high-resolution screens, causing blurry text, misaligned windows, or elements that appear too large or too small. Step 1. Adjust display settings. First, let's adjust the display settings. Right-click on your desktop and select Display Settings. Under Scale and Layout, you'll see an option to change the scaling. Try adjusting this percentage to see if it resolves the issue. Best recommended is 150%. Now close this window and try the next step. Step 2. Use the advanced scaling settings. If the issue still persists, again go to Display Setting. Scroll down and click on Advanced Scaling Settings, or click on the scale. You can also enter a custom scaling size if the presets don't work for you. Step 3. Override high DPI scaling for specific apps. For specific apps that look blurry, right-click the app icon, select Properties, and go to the Compatibility tab. Under Settings, check Override High DPI Scaling Behavior and choose System Enhanced from the drop-down. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. And that's how you fix scaling issues on Windows 10. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.